In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the site search results page on Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor so you can access all of the search page settings directly inside your workspace. Once you're in the editor, go to the Pages and Menu panel on the left side of the screen. In that panel, look for the Wix Site Search section and then select the Search Results page. As soon as you click it, the search results layout will load onto your canvas, which makes it much easier to see your changes in real time as you customize the page. If you don't currently have Wix Site Search installed on your site, you will need to add it first. To do that, open the Apps section from the left side of the editor, search for Wix Site Search and add it to your site. After that, return to the search results page so you can continue with the setup and customization process. Now click on the search results element directly on the canvas, and then click the settings icon. In the display tab, you will find options that control what visitors see at the top of the results page. For example, you can choose whether to include a search bar directly on the page, which can make it easier for visitors to refine their search without leaving the results screen. You can also edit the placeholder text inside that search bar and adjust how the result count is displayed, such as showing a message like a certain number of items found for a keyword. This is useful if you want the page to feel more polished and aligned with your site's tone. Next, click the search results element again and open the settings panel. Then go to the Settings tab. This is where you can decide which page types are included in the search results. You can toggle individual types on or off, so only enabled content like blog posts, events, or store products will appear. You can also rename the labels for those content types if you want them to be clearer for visitors. After that, switch to the Reorder tab here. You can drag and drop the different page types to change the priority of how results are displayed. This helps you control which kinds of content appear first when someone searches your site. Finally, select the search results element again and use the layout and design icons to fine-tune the look and structure of the page. This includes adjusting how many items appear per Pascal GE alignment, pagination behavior, and styling details like fonts, text colors, and backgrounds. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.